Hey friends, if you wish to hide label in Gmail, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So we can see labels on the list on the left hand side. Now you do not want to delete them or remove them or anything, but you just do not want them to be in this list. So just click on the three dots associated with it. And as for label list, you can select hide. And as for message list as well, like if you click on more, you can select this and select hide, but it will still not be gone totally. So for that, you'll have to click on settings here and select see all settings. And then you can scroll down to the section for labels, okay, button labels, and then select the option to change it to text from icons. That is what you can do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.